Welcome back to Dura3 YouTube channel. Okay, in this video we're having a look at a package that I just received, which I think may have been badly packed. I've actually got something poking through from the bottom, and when I picked it up, it's actually was resting on a bit of steel and a shelving, and I can actually physically see shiny bits. It's gone through a plastic bag. So I decided to videotape this, hoping the battery doesn't die. The box is a little bit crushed on the end. It's been crushed on this corner as well. I already started to unpack it when I realised it was making a scratching sound on my, as you can see, it's making a real scratchy sound on there. So we'll continue to unpack this. Looks like all the tape it had was this tape here. Nothing else. Okay. 98. So, let's turn him around. Let's see in there. Let's turn it up a little bit. Okay. Well, we've got bolts. Bubble wrap, but the bolts have actually gone through the bubble wrap by the looks of things. That's maybe what I saw. Yeah, that's what I saw. Okay, so I'll get this other thing out. We have, I think that's the controller. So basically we'll sit that down, as you can see. Get the light in the right direction. It's gone straight through the box. It's only a single layer there, or it's a double cushion box, but it's just gone straight through. Stick your finger, see my hand behind moving. It's just gone straight through. Not enough packaging, even there. Even here, it's actually gone into the. If you put two layers in, it would have been much better, but it's only got a single layer. Okay, right. Well, we'll actually physically put that aside. Let's see if there's any damage done, because these bolts are a bit loose by the looks of it. There's plenty of bubble wrap, but bubble wrap doesn't protect metal objects. I'm afraid metal objects go straight through bubble wrap. I'm afraid, especially if there's something sharp. Now, how do they wrap this? How do they wrap this? Go to there. Screw there. It's tied up and taped up everywhere. Can't see how that comes apart. Oh, it's got me. Jeez, anyway, there it is down here. Righto. Okay, rightio. Finally got it apart. Go away, plastic. So, oh jeez. Obviously the bearings have been left out. So basically, if he left the bolts off it, we wouldn't have had a problem. It would have been a flat surface. This bloke said he left the bolts out of it. Okay, righto. Righty-o. Rightio, so that's got that one apart. Better check and see if the actual controller is okay. I think that's what I'm doing. Hope I put it in front of the camera, be good to see what I'm doing. Trying to work around the camera is a bit of a pain. I always get suspicious when they see something poking out from the box. And you go, we're going to have some damage, hopefully. Plenty of damage to the controller. Looks like I put plenty of packaging on the front. Okay. Well, there's the bearings you mentioned. Go here. Oh, so a massive big impact of metal on the top of the actual controller. Go here. Nothing broken there. Okay. Controller survived. Righty-o, so it's just been the rotator for putting in the bottom of the box. So okay. Oh, there's the job that's coming up. Oh, that's been repaired here too. That looks like it's been interesting to see what's like on the inside. Someone must have broke that. If it's actually cracked into the inside. Okay, dokie, right, we shall leave it there. I'll be shipping this one down later on to physically see what's going on. But if they left the bolts off, it would have been a lot better. Would have been a nice flat surface. Not a problem. Okay, dokie, catch ya. Bye.